Hi! Conventional locking systems involve compromises. Bulky designs, high maintenance costs, and expensive licenses are commonplace. With the Door Lock Air, we put an end to all that. The Door Lock Air is a smart lock that is installed directly in or on the door. This means it remains invisible and has no effect on the door handle or fittings. Whether you have a decades-old retro door or a modern custom-made door, your door will remain true to your design and taste. The Door Lock Air really comes into its own in buildings with lots of doors that need to be locked, such as hotels or offices. The locking system becomes part of the building automation system and enables practical functions such as cross-location access management, interaction with the alarm system, or a wow effect when guests enter a hotel room, especially in combination with an NFC code touch. Administration is easy via LOXONE Config or the LOXONE app. Whether individual access rights, time-controlled approvals, or permanent opening, everything can be controlled flexibly and centrally. There are no license fees and expensive changes to locking plans are a thing of the past. The panic function and self-locking mechanism ensure maximum security. The lock is certified, suitable for fire doors, and can be opened manually at any time thanks to a mechanical emergency opening mechanism, even in the event of a power failure. Communication is wireless via LOXONE Air without any integration into the IT network. This makes the solution particularly stable and secure. Whether in new buildings or retrofits, whether in a warehouse or a side entrance door, whether in a standard door or a custom-made door, with the Door Lock Air you can cover all areas of application. Depending on the structural situation, you have the choice. The inductive version does not require any battery changes and is therefore virtually maintenance-free. If no power supply is available at the door frame, the battery solution offers maximum flexibility. As usual with LOXONE, installation and commissioning are quick and easy for all versions. The world of doors is diverse, and we are well prepared for this. The LOXONE Door Lock Air is available in numerous versions for DIN and Ö-norm profile cylinders as well as Swiss round cylinders. This makes it easy to integrate into existing solid panel, tubular frame or glass doors. The prerequisite is a suitable cylinder and a door with two handles that function independently of each other on the inside and the outside. We offer a wide range of variants for standard solutions. To ensure you choose the right model, the configurator in the shop guides you step by step. And for special requirements, our German quality partner Südmetall manufactures individual custom solutions for you. With the Door Lock Air, we put an end to compromises when it comes to smart door locks. It gives you freedom in design, enables smart functions and guarantees maximum security. Install, program, get started. Access can be that easy.